Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Salesforce Insurance Cloud for policy and claims tracking, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Salesforce Insurance Cloud for policy and claims tracking, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the app launcher in the top left corner of the screen. Type insurance in the search bar and select the Insurance Cloud app. Once you're in the Insurance Cloud, go to the Setup menu by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the Quick Find box, type Object Manager and select it from the results. Locate and select the policy object from the list. Click on Fields and Relationships to view all available fields for the policy object. Ensure you have all the necessary fields for tracking policies, such as policy number, effective date, and policy type. If any fields are missing, click on New to create custom fields as needed. Next, return to the Object Manager and select the Claim object. Similar to the policy object, verify that all required fields for claim tracking are present. Fields may include claim number, claim status, and date of loss. Add any additional fields by clicking New if necessary. Now, go back to the home page of Insurance Cloud. Click on the Policies tab to start managing your policies. You can create a new policy by clicking the New button. Fill in the required fields with the relevant policy information. After filling in the details, save the new policy record. Next, navigate to the Claims tab to manage claims related to the policies. Just like with policies, create a new claim by clicking the New button. Complete the claim form with the essential information, linking it to the relevant policy. Once the claim is submitted, it will be tracked within the system. Utilize the dashboards available in Insurance Cloud to monitor policy and claim status. Regularly check the reporting features to analyze trends and performance metrics. Finally, consider integrating any additional tools or apps that enhance your Insurance Cloud experience. Ensure you train your team on how to use the system effectively for policy and claims tracking. This will maximize the efficiency of tracking and managing policies and claims within Salesforce Insurance Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.